How to download Perplexity AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily install this app. First of all, open Play Store. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see the search icon. Simply tap on the search icon. Now, on the top at the search bar, search for Perplexity AI. So it will pop up in the top. Simply tap on it. Make sure that this is the right application. You can verify it by seeing the logo and verify it by seeing the company's name. Now here on the bottom, tap on install. So the installation has begun. So what is this AI about? So this is a different version of AI where you can ask different questions and it will give you the results very fast in a short period of time. So many users use this AI recently and it's a blooming app. Now it has been installed and you can easily use it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.